Hello everyone! Today, I want to share with you one of the most interesting and unique places I visited here in Istanbul. The amazing Minya Turk. Sa unang tingin, iisipin mo na isa itong simpleng park. But when you start walking inside, you will realize that Minya Turk is actually like traveling around the whole Turkey in just one place. Minya Turk is known as one of the largest miniature parks in the world. Dito makikita mo ang napakaraming miniature models ng mga famous landmarks, historical buildings, at important places from different cities in Turkey. Imagine mo, para kang nag-tour sa buong bansa pero sa loob lang ng isang park. First, when I entered the park, I felt very excited and curious. Everything looked so detailed and beautiful. The pathways were clean, the gardens were very relaxing, and everywhere you look, makikita mo ang mga maliliit na buildings na parang totoong totoo. Habang naglalakad ako, napansin ko na bawat model ay ginagawa with so much effort and precision. The scale is about 1:25, meaning the real building is 25 times bigger. Kahit maliit ang mga models, makikita mo pa rin ang mga details tulad ng windows, domes, towers, and even tiny roads. One of the most famous miniature models you will see here is the Hagia Sophia. Kahit maliit siya, makikita mo pa rin ang kanyang malaking dome at ang kanyang unique architecture. Seeing this model reminds us of the rich history of Istanbul, a city where different cultures and civilizations once lived together. Malapit lang din dito, makikita mo ang miniature ng Blue Mosque. The design is still very elegant and even a miniature form. Makikita mo ang kanyang mga minarets na nakatayo ng napakaganda. Another exciting miniature is the famous Bosporus Bridge. This bridge is very special because it connects Europe and Asia. Kahit na maliit na model nito, mararamdaman mo kung gaano ito kahalaga sa City of Istanbul. Habang naglalakad ka sa Minya Turk, parang naglalakbay ka rin sa iba't ibang panahon ng history. Makikita mo ang mga buildings from the ancient civilizations, from the time of Ottoman Empire hanggang sa modern structures ng Turkey today. For tourists, Minya Turk is a very special place, especially for people who want to travel to every city in the Turkey. Dito makikita mo ang highlights ng bansa. Parang isang malaking open-air museum na nagpapakita ng culture, history, and architecture ng Turkey. Marami ring families ang pumupunta dito. Kids enjoy looking at the tiny cities and buildings, habang ang mga adults naman ay nag-a-appreciate ng history behind every structure. What I also love about Minya Turk is that it makes you curious. Kapag may nakita kang miniature building, mapapatanong ka talaga. Saan ito sa Turkey? Ano ang history ng building na ito? Bakit ito mahalaga? Because of that, Minya Turk is not just a place for pictures. It is also a place for learning. Habang patuloy kang naglalakad, mararamdaman mo ang peaceful atmosphere ng park. Visitors are smiling, taking photos, enjoying the view, and appreciating the creativity behind this miniature masterpiece. As the day slowly ends, the park becomes even more beautiful. The sunlight reflects on the tiny buildings, making the entire place look like a small, magical city. Sa huli, visiting Miniaturk reminded me of something very important. Kahit maliit ang mga models na ito, they represent the big history, culture, and identity of Turkey. Miniaturk may be small in size, but the stories behind it are truly big and meaningful. So, if you ever visit Istanbul, don't miss the chance to explore Miniaturk, because in this one beautiful park, you can experience the beauty of entire Turkey. Maraming salamat for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this little journey with me. God bless you all.